From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Friday, State College. I'm student meteorologist Daniel Weaver. Look at that. Outside of Beaver Stadium, we got some snow on the ground. We saw some snow in these past few days, and there were even some reports of thunder snow Wednesday night and very early Thursday morning. But it is pretty chilly out there. We are currently sitting at a temperature of 28 degrees, but it feels like 16 or 18, and that's because we have that wind moving at 12 miles an hour. So it is pretty chilly out there, making it feel like 10 degrees colder than it actually is. In fact, if we look at those wind speeds right now, 12 here in State College, about 10 in Du Bois, 14 in Erie, and 13 in Pittsburgh, and a little more breezy as you get farther east with wind speeds in the teens and 21 miles an hour in Philadelphia. And that is causing these temperatures to feel cooler than what they actually are, about 10 to 15-ish degrees cooler. 18 is what it feels like in State College and across the Central Valleys. If we move farther towards the north and west, 16 is what it feels like in Erie, 15 in Franklin, and 20 out there in Pittsburgh. So these wind speeds will certainly make it feel like 10 to a few degrees cooler. But if we look across the west of the continental United States, you can see where that cold air is coming from. It's coming from up north into Canada and making its way down towards the east. Now, if you remember early this week, the big cold air was over towards the central part of the United States, but it's then shifted eastward, and that's a sign of things to come as eventually as we get through the weekend and into next week, this region of cold air will move towards the east, and we'll start to see a warming pattern in the new work week. Satellite radar, we got a few snow showers and a few snow squalls out there, so do be careful if the visibility is reduced and you are driving out on the roads. If we zoom out though, you have nothing really to talk about except this weak Alberta Kuiper system here that might bring the dust into maybe a little bit of a coating more of snow, but no significant accumulation expected from that system. But timing out these wind speeds, though, as we move throughout the night tonight and into early tomorrow morning, it will still be a little breezy, so it's still going to feel quite chilly out there. Wind speeds around 10 to 20 miles an hour, a little more gusty as you get farther towards the west. And by about Saturday into Sunday morning, we can see that it's still gusty, especially across the ridges in the Laurel Highlands, but then the winds will gradually start to die on Sunday before diminishing completely on Sunday night and into Monday with just a little light breeze. So wind chill will diminish by then and the warming trend will begin. Future satellite radar, though, mostly cloudy skies are in store for central Pennsylvania tomorrow. If you want to see Mr. Sun and all, you got to go farther towards the south and east. Otherwise, though, across the northern tier, it's going to be pretty cloudy, and temperatures will be a little chilly too, sitting around the freezing mark for your highs on your Saturday, with temperatures mainly in the 20s throughout the day. So for tonight, though, low of 21 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, a bit breezy out there too. Tomorrow, 34 degrees, so 2 degrees above freezing, overcast skies, but look at that, still windy for your Saturday as well. And if we time out this next work week, you can see Monday, mostly cloudy skies with then some rain moving in towards the afternoon and evening hours. Going to be too warm for snow, so this is all going to be rain for Monday. Tuesday into Wednesday will be pretty dry and cloudy, and then we'll have another system approaching early Wednesday morning and into Thursday that might see a little bit of snow, but it looks to be mostly rain because it'll be way too warm for snow until Thursday afternoon and evening. And then by Friday, the clouds return, but the precipitation is out. So if you look at that on a 7-day forecast, you can see you got clouds just about the whole time except for next Friday. And the gradual warming trend will begin starting this weekend with highs at 44 for Sunday and then peaking out around 49 for Tuesday before dropping back down on Wednesday and Thursday, but not as cold as they have been, before climbing up a little bit on Friday with Mr. Sun back out. That's your forecast. Enjoy your weekend.